We have some big breaking news coming in. The United States has now carried out a military strike on Sunday in Kabul. Two United States officials have told Reuters, they've confirmed. This official, speaking on condition of anonymity, has said that the strike targeted suspected ISIS-K militants. They said they were citing initial information and cautioned it could change. In fact, here's the United States has carried out a military strike in Kabul. We understand that this is a retaliatory strike. Rocket attack might be US retaliatory strike. That's what initial reports now suggesting. Let me cut across to Geeta Mohan. Geeta, what more do we know of the United States that could possibly, that could have carried out this military strike? Any confirmed reports on that? There's some sources telling us that this could be the hand of the United States carrying out a military strike in Kabul.
Well, that's right. It is, again, a serious matter because the reports that are coming out says that these were retaliatory strikes within Kabul city, within the confines of the city, Nabila, and that carrying out the strikes targeting suspected ISIS Khorasan militants who were in a particular area. But we do not really know whether if the rocket strike that took place right outside Kabul airport in a residential area where the reports that are coming in suggest that a child has also been killed, has fallen victim to this rocket attack, is the same as the one carried out by the United States of America. Although Reuters is reporting that US has carried out military strike within Kabul, is this the one that they're talking about is something we need to wait for a confirmation. But again, a very serious matter, even if the American forces are carrying out retaliatory strikes after getting intel on ISIS-K being in a building within the confines of Kabul city. There could be major collateral damage when it comes to civilian casualties. And if the strike is in residential areas, it could be rather serious. So we do not really know right now whether if the rocket attack, Nabila, that has just taken place is or was carried out by U.S. military, or whether this is a terror attack and separately rocket attack was carried out. A retaliatory attack was carried out by American forces. But if this is something that has happened, like we were discussing earlier as well, Nabila, because the biggest concern would have been that rocket launchers in the hands of terrorist organizations and terrorists within the city of Kabul is a serious concern. But if this is a rocket attack carried out by U.S. military, striking ISIS-K terrorists, that's ISIS Khorasan terrorists within Kabul, then it could very well be because they have intelligence on attacks that the ISIS Khorasan elements are planning outside of Kabul airport, and that's why these are retaliatory measures or preventive measures that are taking place. But it is a residential area nonetheless. And yes, the American forces will then have to respond to questions of whether if this could very well that they're willing to take responsibility of the civilian casualties that will result out of retaliatory attacks that now American forces could be carrying out within the confines of Kabul city. So,
undoubtedly, Geeta, the fact that that's a civilian area, it's very close to the airport where you have thousands of Afghans still lodged along the airport to leave the country. The United States taking a chance and striking at a civilian area, a residential building. It's hard to believe that the United States could carry out a retaliatory attack on the ISIS-K at a residential area.
Well, that's right. Not the first time that there have been civilian casualties when U.S. has carried out action or attacks against terrorist organizations after intelligence of the presence of ISIS elements, or for that matter, Al-Qaeda elements within Afghanistan or AFPAC region. There have been civilian casualties every time they have carried out, or most of the times when they carry out attacks against terror organizations. But again, we are still waiting for a confirmation on whether if the visuals that you were showing of a rocket attack on a house in the residential area very near to the Kabul airport is something that was carried out by the United States of America. And if that is the case, it is because of the intelligence that they have of ISIS Khorasan elements being present within that house. The ones who could be carrying out future attacks, could have carried out future attacks outside Hamid Karzai International Airport that could have caused a huge loss to civilian life as also foreign nationals and foreign forces. And this is retaliatory measures is what they're saying, but also preventive measures. They have indeed managed to neutralize terrorists within that house. For now, these are very sketchy details that are coming in, but if they've been able to neutralize terrorists within that house, then it is, in a way, trying to prevent future terror attacks, but there are civilian casualties, which includes a child.
That's highly unfortunate. Geeta, thank you very much for joining us with those details here. Information coming in that this could be the United States carrying out a retaliatory military attack only to target ISIS-K, as per the intelligence reports. Of course, very sketchy details. Confirmation going to come in due course of time. India Today will continue following that up. On the other side, stay tuned for our special battle cry.